Hello there, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Patrick, the BU Boss, and on today's episode, I'm sort of doing a come along with me for the ride. As you guys know, or you may not know. By the way, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. But as I was saying, some of you have been here before, so welcome back. Some of you who haven't, and those of you who've been here before may know that I am a wardrobe stylist as well. I do help my clients get their nonverbal messaging through personal style as well. And in a former life, I did that primarily as my business. And because of that, I have a connection and relationship with a lot of designers. And one such designer has invited me to her pre-launch preview of her collection. So we are going to head down to her preview. Status is the name of her clothing line. And we're going to head down there and check out what she has. Right now, I'm going to get dressed. I'm a little late because it threatened with rain and storms, and it's actually raining and storming a little bit right now. So I'm trying to go a little bit slow to see if I can outlast the rain and then get down there. So let's go ahead and get ready. I will come back after I am dressed and ready and sort of show you my look, and then we'll head down to Dallas. Here is the look. This is what we will be wearing. All right, guys, this is the look. We have on let's see, I don't know. It's a little dark, I apologize. But this is the look. Of course, I'll let my hair down stuff, so it'll be all right, bosses. Let's head out. It's time to go to the event. All right, guys, we've made it to the event, and I'm about to put on my shoes because of course I didn't drive in heels, and then we're gonna head in and look at this beautiful collection because I know it's beautiful because I know Sarah. So let's go check it out. Don't mind that dirty floor. First off, that is calling my name. Thank you, Andrea. Yes, thank you. Oh my. I wish I'd have caught that while you had that up. Let's go over here and look at this jewelry. Oh, I know. I got some earrings. Oh, really? That's real nice. Yes. I bought them previously. Beautiful. You know I love a good necklace. Oh, wow. That one right there. Small. There's different sizes. Yeah, you gotta get it just right. This is so cool, but it goes with this dress. Over everything. And look, it just adds so much. Very nice. I love that. And then it comes in a blue. I love it. Yeah, you will not believe how bougie I've been. Yes, I would, because everybody's trying to get shots. What types of photography are you doing now?
White with the gray.
Everything except for sports.
Or which color?
Sports, okay.
I can suggestions. You say good or bad.
Beautiful.
That's our little like sharp
And your color picker.
Did you see the jacket?
Beautiful.
And this is my new camera.
Lovely, lovely. Let me get you. Hi. I feel like we've met before too.
Perhaps.
Is the dress that we're gonna do for my birthday. My husband is going to have a cow, but he'll be fine. But this, will you hold that up for me?
Absolutely.
Because this is the color that we're gonna do it in, this pretty like burgundy purple color wine. What would you say, wine?
I would call it plum.
Plum, oh yeah. So that's what we're doing. This color in this cut. Look at this hemline, guys. Look at that. It's asymmetrical. What? You're not ready for all these legs. Look at this. Beautiful. But what you really have to see is this shoe. Look at the shoe, everybody. That is so cute.
I love the sleeves. But I wanted to say, that color in, we'll make it my own.
All right, that does it, guys. Such a fun event hanging out with Sarah. I met some models, a couple of lawyers, so I was hobnobbing with the big dogs, so that was pretty fun. Stay tuned, because as soon as I get my dress in, I will definitely do a very special haul for you so you can see what that looks like, and I'll model it for you and everything. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. I am so excited. By the time you see this, I will probably be in the throes of my October Best, which is a play on Oktoberfest. And that is what I'm calling my 4 weeks of gifts that I'm giving out as a part of a launch to my upcoming signature program. So I'm giving away gifts because October is my birthday month and it's also Women's Small Business Month. And so I am trying to make sure that I'm giving back and serving instead of selling, like I talk to you about all the time. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you like this type of video, make sure you leave a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite, I don't know, look of those looks that I was showing in the video. What did you like best? Did you like the dress combination that I shared with you? Anyway, tell me if you like my outfit too. You know, I'm a leopard print girl, so I thought it was cute today. All right, have a good rest of your day. Thank you for watching this week's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.